Our industry needs to be made more attractive for younger people. My name is Helmut de Rovere. I'm co-founder and CEO of RoboJob. An industry needs to attract younger people. Without people, there is no industry. You cannot ask from younger people to put in the flexibility to cope with the modern supply chain. That is why we started RoboJob. Already since 2007, we have been building user-friendly solutions to automate CNC lathes and milling machines. In fact, RoboJob was the pioneer in the industry. Global operations are run from the headquarters in Belgium. This is where we bring our robots to life. All research and development as well as the production is done in Belgium. RoboJob has already installed more than 2,000 robots in over 30 countries. We also have technology centers in the United States and in Europe. Our local teams bring us much closer to our customers. It is our mission to increase flexibility, efficiency and profitability in the manufacturing industry. The automatization can put in the extra hours needed to cope with the high flexibility demand from a modern supply chain so that younger people can organize a decent work and life balance.